Just done mowing at the front yard. Whew, that's so hot. I'm not done yet. Oh. Whew, ang init. It's very hot. I just stop and drink some water. And there is my auto. My car. Oh, it's done in the sides. Not yet. Not yet. I feel so hot. Hot, hot, hot. I try to plant eggplant back there. I don't know if that will be grow or not. The eggplant are so tiny. So init, so hot, hot, hot. I'm not done yet, so need to finish this. I did not move the back yet because I feel so hot. Grabe ang init today. My outfit. I'm so dirty. Dirty, dirty. And here's I am mowing. I'm very sweaty. I just tie my hair because it's super duper hot. Ah, see. So what we will be talking today? I got my back is hurt. My back is killing me softly. It's itchy, this water of my sweet it keeps drifting everywhere in my head. Just wearing glove and mask because I'm allergic to the grass. And then after all this hot is cannot breathe. I cannot breathe this hot. Whew, so in it, super duper hot. I need to take a break for a little bit. Because I'm soaking with the hot and my shirt is so wet. Okay, bye. I need to finish my job. Jobless. I'm jobless, but I have many jobs. I am the jobless that many jobs. Okay, bye.